Our customer segments are small business owners, marketing executives, agency owners, and managers. Now, these are 3 distinct groups, and all of these do have their slightly different actors. So let's focus on the marketing executive type person a little bit here, right? Let's really focus on the marketing executive, the CMO, the VP of marketing, or the director of marketing. Let's think about that person. So what do they have? Before they have a disorganized team. They got a team, good people, but they're all over the place. Nobody really knows what anybody else is doing. How does that make them feel? It makes them feel frustrated, overwhelmed, and actually a little bit scared. Because if they can't get it together, they might get fired. So they're scared. They got this team of people, work's not all getting done. Average day is spent coaching up the underperformers. Come on, can we get this going? Can we figure this out together? Right? They don't want to do that. But that's what they're having to spend a lot of their time doing, or digging in and diving in themselves to solve problems that really their team should be able to fix. If you're a marketing executive, maybe some of this is resonant. Their status, disrespected, and they feel behind the times. We hear this a lot from marketing executives. Marketing executives tend to get crapped on a lot. The salespeople are like looking at marketers like, right? So they're disrespected. And from a digital perspective, they may feel a little bit behind. And in terms of good versus evil, well, they, and more importantly, their team is really a victim of the traditional university model. I mean, nobody's teaching this stuff. You go to college to get an education in marketing, and they weren't talking digital. They were talking brand strategy and all these things that are good, but it's not really what the marketing executive of today needs. So they, along with their team, is really a victim of an old school university education model that really doesn't serve these industries anymore, right? Big trend, something going on, something that's resonant. Let's talk after. Before they had a disorganized team, after they have a well-oiled machine. Just it's working, it's humming along. They were frustrated and scared. Now they're confident and in control. Because they know, heck, I can take a vacation and this is gonna go fine because my team's got it together. Average day was coaching up underperformers. Now they're focused on strategy. They're out of the details. They're calling a meeting, they're writing stuff up on a whiteboard, and their team is headed out. They're rocking and rolling, they're getting stuff done. So that's average day. Now let's talk stats. Remember before they were disrespected, they were behind the times. Well, now they're respected, they're up to date, and they're maybe even up for a promotion, right? It's not that they're afraid of getting fired. It's that people are like, God dang, Jimmy, good job on that, on all the sales and leads that we're getting. That's awesome, thank you, right? Everybody's clapping them. You start to see the imagery. When we speak in terms of narrative, right, which is what average day gives us, and even stats, right, it gives us the narrative. Now we can think about what the picture is, not just what the words are, what's the picture? Because even when we're writing words, we want those words to create pictures, okay? Good versus evil, remember before, both themselves and their team was a victim of the traditional university model. Now, because of Digital Marketer HQ, our training and certification program, they're helping train the marketing leaders of the future. They're doing it, right? They're like a professor. So now we're elevating not just their status, but we're solving a major problem that's going on right now, which is that the traditional university model is failing a lot of these fields, right? It is failing the digital marketing fields, and it's failing the students going through them that want this education, want to get into these fields. Make sense? So we got him as a true hero. And what do? We do digital marketing training. We have hiring guides and a job board to help them find people. But what else should we do, right? If this is the after that they want, what else can we provide to get them there? That, by the way, is the reason that we launched our job board. Because when we looked at this, we said, this is what they need. This is what they want. All right, one more example, and then you're gonna be on your own. And in this one, we're gonna have a little bit of fun.